It's the night before the storm. Just kind of show you what's going on, so hopefully tomorrow morning when we come out we can give you a before and after picture. That's the old chase vehicle there. The car will be in the garage shortly. The messy garage. But we have a blizzard warning. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a blizzard warning, which includes Pittsburgh, Kansas, where I'm at here. The warning statement says 12 inches likely, higher amounts up to 20 inches possible. Thunder snow is also likely. So this could be a historic blizzard. According to what I could find on the NCDC, I found 14 inches was a historic maximum for Pittsburgh, Kansas. I don't know that that's right. It seems, as I recall, one time we got 18, but it might not have gotten recorded properly. Anyway, I'm going to record myself here. Here I am, the day before the storm, night before the storm. The eve of the storm, however you want to put it, and we're preparing. We've got plenty of fuel for the generator and multiple internet connections, so hopefully we'll ride it out here, and we'll be able to stream and let you guys know what we get. This is going to be quite the storm. First time I recall being under a blizzard warning. I'm sure there were other times, but they issued what was called a PDS, or Particularly Dangerous Situation Winter Storm Warning. Norman, Oklahoma did, which is just unheard of. So we'll just have to see what happens. I'm going to put my snowboard out now. Not to ski on or snowboard on, but to measure the snow properly. Not going to use anything too fantabulous. A couple of pieces of scrap wood should do. Just something to kind of insulate it from the ground and get a proper flat surface measurement from them and make sure it's level, and we'll go from there. We'll catch you guys here shortly on the internet. We'll keep you updated, Facebook and Twitter, thestormpatrol.com.